Okay, this is my fridge, and this is for Mary's tag of what's in your fridge and freezer. This is my new fridge. I'm so happy I got it because I used to have one of those stupid ones without an ice maker. So, and this one does crushed ice too, and all that good stuff. So, anyways, let's check it out. Mine's not quite as organized as hers is, and I'm not going to pull everything out because it's a pain. So, let's see. I have some muscle milk, sour cream, ranch. What's in this bowl? I think it's ham. Oh no, that's my husband's chorizo for the morning. And some protein bars that I did not like, and I'm waiting for one of the boys to eat, but they're not eating them. I got some orange juice and Dairy Ease. It is lactose-free, fat-free milk. And here is the Crystal Light. I think this is strawberry kiwi or something. And got some Viva 2% milk, and that's for the boys. Actually, for my son. My husband doesn't like. He's lactose intolerant. Back there is some apple juice. And see over here we have, I can't believe it's not butter, light, which we don't use. Bagel Fulls. I bought these probably like a month ago. They're probably no good, and they're not that great. They're alright when you're in a hurry. This is my little invention to have a snack prepared of some sort. So in this little baggie, there's little snack packs. There is a slice of turkey, a slice of roast beef, a slice of ham, and a slice of cheese in there. And what I usually do is, if I get hungry or want a snack, and I don't feel like carrots, I sometimes just eat those just like that, or I wrap them in these Smart Delicious tortillas. And they are 50 calories, and they are low carb, low fat. They're whole wheat. So, those are them. I really don't know why this thing isn't focusing right, but I'm sorry. Okay, let's see what we have next. Down here, we have butter, lots of butter, and salsa, and hot sauce, and hot wing sauce. On this one, we've got pickles. Down here, sugar-free chocolate syrup, regular syrup, pancake syrup, yellow chilies, mustard, soy sauce, a Starbucks Frappuccino that I will not drink anymore, so it's going to probably stay there until I throw it away. And then down here is, which I probably can't drink anymore, is Nescafe Iced Java. God, it's so yummy too. And Wishbone salad spritzers. This is good, guys. Light smoothies. Some toppings, sugar-free strawberry and ice cream toppings that we had from before back here. And some cream cheese, ketchup, shredded cheese. I don't know why that's down there, but it is. More cream cheese. Let's see. South Beach Living deli ham and turkey for an emergency. Some ham and cheese down there for sandwiches. That little blue container back there is cottage cheese. It's a cup of cottage cheese. And These are strawberry flavored applesauce. Oh, got those. And in here, we got lots of cheese. We love cheese. Cheese, eggs. The string cheeses are in the back. I don't know why, but they are. Oh, there's the other ones. And Velveeta and butter. And down here we have some tortillas, a strawberry banana applesauce. Those are good. Some more eggs, some fruit. See, we're not very organized. Sorry, guys. Down here is some lunch meat still from the deli. Tomatoes, limes, celery, avocados. Okay, now for the freezer. God, this is the weirdest tag ever. Okay, that would be my ice maker. Up here we have some mixed vegetable stuff that I didn't use all of. Sorry. Some Power Crunch bars that I haven't tasted yet. Here's some ham. Oh, there's another bag full. My son's lean pockets. And see, down there is vegetables. Right here is some frozen meat. There's pork, steak. I don't know what else. My son's pizza rolls and chicken patties. These right here are, oh my god, frozen bananas. And I got frozen strawberries back there. And mixed berries, but we don't like the mixed berries. And then frozen cookie dough. And that is my fridge and freezer. Okay, thanks. And I am going to tag, you will find out in just a minute. Miss Mary, I am so happy that you tagged me. Not. Anyways, I did it. You guys see my messy fridge, and now it is time for me to tag a few people. And Mary did 4, so I'm assuming we're supposed to tag 4 people. And if you don't participate, that makes you a big loser. No, I'm just kidding. You don't have to, but I do have to pick 4 people to tag. So I am going to pick Virginia. Yes, I want to see what's in your fridge. Dasajam. That means you gotta post a video, girl. And let's see. AlisonPacino. And let me look here. You know whose fridge I'd like to see? Threefold Utopian Dream. So those are my 4 people, I think, I hope, and hope you liked looking at my messy fridge. Bye, guys. It's not stopping. I can only look this cute for a minute. Just kidding.